An earthquake of magnitude 8.8 has just struck the Kamchatka Peninsula in Russia, one of the strongest tremors we've seen in decades. Imagine the ground shaking beneath you, buildings swaying, and a tsunami warning echoing through the air. Waves reaching up to 4 meters are now a reality, causing panic and prompting evacuations, not just in Russia, but also in parts of Japan and the United States. This seismic event is a stark reminder of nature's power, shaking us awake to the vulnerabilities we face. The world is watching closely as we brace for the aftershocks and assess the damage.